so if you want to learn how to do it, stick around. I'm not going to really talk through this video. I'm really more so going to allow for you guys to just enjoy this beautiful nail art. And then if you have any questions, do feel free to comment below. I'll be more than glad to explain or go into further detail about whatever I did. But yes, it is Halloween, it is spooky season, it is our time to rise and shine. I love everything about Halloween nail art. This is the best time of the year. So yeah, here we go. Do y'all see this? How cute is SpongeBob? I am so happy with the way this came out.